Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Before we get started today, I just want to say if you like my content and you want it to keep on coming, make sure you do give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Um, I also want to take a minute to shout out to all my current subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your support and helping me build this channel up. It's just been over a little over 6.5 weeks here, and I'm up to 86 subscribers. So I'm really approaching that 100 subscriber mark quickly, and thanks to you guys for subscribing and enjoying my content. Today I have a watch that I had purchased on shein.com. I don't know if you guys remember from my other video, but I had a Denvasi watch that looks just like a Tissot PRX automatic, even though it is a quartz. It was a very nice quality build on it, so I did purchase a couple more of the Denvasi brand watches off of Shein, because they're very inexpensive, and this one, I was really impressed by that one, so I went out and got a couple more. But I have a little bit of a mixed opinion on what I received. Not as favorable in some aspects as what I got with the PRX homage watch, but I did get a couple of Denvasis. I got one that I was really satisfied with, and then I got another one that's kind of I'm on the fence about, and it's this one here. Now, what I do like about it, I'll start with what I like, and then I'll end with what I hate. But I do like the fact that it does have the bluish green face on it, and it's got a really nice gold case. And the case is really nice. The only complaint I have is the watch band that they put on it. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very tinny sounding. And aside from the fact, I mean, it's a really nice watch case, stainless steel, water resistant. It's obviously a quartz movement. It's not an automatic, but the band makes this watch feel a lot cheaper than what it should feel like. This is just to give you an example. This is another Denvasi that I received along with the same shipment, and the watch band is miles ahead of what the other one is. I mean, this one actually has the removable pins. It's got a nice, they're nice and rounded edges, milled, nice and smooth. And this watch, same brand. Look at the quality of the watch band. It's actually horrible. And it was really difficult to resize because it's not a good watch band. So I think they really did a disservice to this watch by putting that watch band on it. And like I said, I mean, it's the only one out of all three of these that is such low quality. Every other one is really nice. But yeah, they're all the Denvasi brand. And this is the only one that came out cheaper in feel. I mean, it's got a very low quality feel to it. But yeah, there we go. Let's get a nice close-up of it. But other than that, I mean, the face is beautiful. The case is nice. It's nice and solid. It's a gold-colored case. But I don't know, the band, I mean, even just looking at the band, it's like the color gold doesn't even line up with the cases, as opposed to like with this one here. Everything looks like it matches nice. It's a good match. So but all in all, I think I don't remember the exact price of this watch, but it was somewhere in the neighborhood of $15, maybe even a little bit less. So for that price, if you really like the case and you wanted to pick up a watch band, you could probably pick up a bracelet for $10 and still have a $25 watch that's really decent, that you can wear out and it will look nice. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. I'm probably going to sink another $10 into it and put a nice band on it, because I'm pretty sure I can get a bracelet like this for about $10 on Amazon, or maybe even on Shein. But that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. But overall, it's a nice watch. That's my only complaint, is the band. But other than that, it's a beautiful looking case. It's a beautiful looking face. Everything works on it. It's nice. Um, just a really nice watch all around. I think it looks nice on, and I will definitely wear it. But I will be looking to replace the watch band on this. So anyhow, like I said before, if you guys like this content and you want it to keep on coming, make sure you do give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the videos. And thank you to all my current subscribers. You guys are making this work for me, and I appreciate that. If you have any comments, just post them below. I do respond to comments. But I do just want to say that at Dave the Watchman, I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. I don't review high-end luxury watches for a reason, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. There are so many great homage watches out there. There's a lot of junk quality homage watches, but then there's also a lot of great ones out there, and those are the ones that I focus on. I try to sift through the junk so you guys don't have to worry about it. Come to my channel, check it out, check out my reviews. I'll tell you which ones to stay away from. I'll tell you what's wrong with each one, just like with this watch band. I'm going to tell you what you're in for if you decide to buy off of Shein, or if you decide to buy off of Amazon. Just come and check out my channel first, and hopefully I can help you, steer you guys in the right direction. But no, I don't condone fakes. I don't condone any clone watches, anything that says a name on it that it is not. So you won't see a Rolex Submariner homage or clone watch that says Rolex on it. These watches are made by a manufacturer that utilizes the non-proprietary designs to produce their watches, which is perfectly legal. Just like almost every sunglasses brand has a pair that looks like Ray-Ban Wayfarers, and Ray-Ban was the original. That doesn't mean that every other one is a fake. They're not putting the word Ray-Ban on it, so it's perfectly legal. Same thing with these watches. It can look like a Rolex Submariner. As long as it doesn't say Rolex, there's nothing wrong with it. So, but I appreciate all your comments. I appreciate all your likes. I appreciate all of your subscribes. But guys, if you're going to come on here and talk about how I review fakes and I review counterfeits, just educate yourself, please. There's nothing wrong with utilizing a non-proprietary design such as the Rolex Submariner, as long as you don't put the name Rolex on it. So anyhow, that being said, love all my subscribers. I love all the content, all the likes. I love that you guys like my content. And if you want more of it, please do. If you haven't already, click that thumbs up and subscribe so you can have more watch review videos coming your way. So that said, I am Dave the Watchman on YouTube, and I am out of here. You guys have a great day.